Hello students, once again welcome to English Literature Classroom. Today my topic is Shakespeare's The Tempest. Clear? Act 3, Scene 1. Okay? Now the scene starts with Ferdinand. Okay? Carrying a log of wood. Ferdinand. There be some sports are painful, and their labor delight in them sets off some kinds of baseness and nobly undergone. Okay? He tells that there are some certain exertions which are painful, but the pleasure which they afford compensates for the labor that they revolve. Next, he tells that this my mean task, okay, would be as heavy to me as odious, but this mistress which I serve quickens what's dead and makes my labor pleasure. Okay, here tells that the humble labor which is performing in carrying this log of wood would be as tedious to him as it is hateful if it were not for the fact that the mistress for whose sake he is doing all. Next, he is comparing, okay, Miranda with Prospero. Okay, he's telling, oh, she's 10 times more gentle than her father. Okay, she refers to Miranda, her father means Prospero. Okay, now, Ferdinand tells that Miranda is 10 times more gentle than her father, and her father is harsh. Indeed, her father is made up of entirely of harshness. Next, he's telling that I must remove some thousands of this log and pile them up upon a sore injunction. Okay, sore injunction refers to punishment. Okay, he's telling that he has been ordered to carry several thousands of these logs and pile them up, failing which a severe punishment would be inflicted upon him. Okay, next he also tells that my beautiful mistress weeps out of sympathy when she sees me engaged in this labor, and she tells me that so degraded a task that had never been before executed. Okay, now here beautiful mistress is referred to Miranda. Okay, my sweet mistress. Okay, weeps. Okay, she weeps when she sees me. Me means Ferdinand. Okay, doing this work. Okay, next Miranda. Okay, enter Miranda and Prospero at a distance, invisible. Okay, Prospero is invisible. Miranda. Alas, now, pray me. Okay, what is Miranda telling? Alas now, pray you, work not so hard. I would the lightning had burnt up this log. Okay, Miranda is telling to Ferdinand, alas, I now appeal you. Okay, don't work so hard. I wish lightning had fallen upon them and burned this log. Okay, it's Miranda's wish. Okay, what is Miranda's wish? Lightning be fallen upon and burned those logs which Ferdinand had been ordered by Miranda's father to carry and pile. I pray you, put down, okay, that this log and rest yourself. Miranda is once again telling, please, okay, put down this log and rest yourself. When this log is burned to make fire, the moisture that comes from burning wood will seem to be the tears of sympathy which these logs will shed for having thus tired you. Now, Ferdinand is replying, okay, oh, okay, most dear mistress, the sun will set before I shall discharge what I must stick to. Okay, now Ferdinand is telling, oh, dearest mistress, in order to complete this work that has been assigned to me, I must work till sunset. Okay, now Miranda tells, okay, now what is Miranda telling? If you will sit down, okay, Miranda is telling, if you will sit down, clear? And I will bit your logs the while. Pray, give me that. Okay, Miranda is telling that please sit down, take rest. I shall carry your logs for you. Give me that pile of log. I will carry it instead of you. Now, Ferdinand is replying. What reply Ferdinand gives? No precious creature. Clear? I had rather crack my sinews, break my back, than you should do such dishonor thing. Miranda, it would become me as well as it does you, and I should do it much more ease. Okay? What is Miranda telling? I shall be able to perform it with greater ease because I shall be doing it wholeheartedly while you are doing it against your will. Okay? Then Prospero, okay? Prospero is telling poor worm, they are infected. Okay? Prospero is telling poor worm, they are infected. Miranda, you look worldly. Miranda is telling Ferdinand. Okay? Now Ferdinand replies, no. Ferdinand replies, okay? No noble mistress, it's fresh morning with me when you are by at night. Okay? Ferdinand is telling that no, it's fresh morning to me when you are by me. I do request you tell your name. Okay? Ferdinand asking Miranda to tell the name. Okay? So that he could tell Miranda's name in his prayer. Miranda now tells, my name is Miranda. Okay, oh my father, I have broken your head to say so. Now Miranda is asking forgiveness from her father that she had violated her father's command. Okay, father is told not to tell the name to anyone, but Miranda is telling the name to Miranda is telling her name to Ferdinand so that Ferdinand could tell Miranda's name while doing prayer. Up to this much. In my next video, I will continue with this scene. Until then, goodbye.